Did you know doctors once tortured thousands of people in the name of science and walked away free? In 1937, Dr. Shiro Ishii built a secret compound in Manchuria, disguised as a water purification facility. But Unit 731 had nothing to do with clean water. Inside, doctors performed surgery on living prisoners without any pain relief, watching them scream as they cut them open. They froze people's limbs, then thawed them repeatedly to study frostbite. Prisoners were injected with deadly diseases like plague and anthrax, then monitored as they slowly died. Over 10,000 people were tortured to death in these experiments. When American forces discovered the facility in 1945, they made a deal with the devil. Instead of prosecuting these monsters, they granted them immunity in exchange for their research data. The same doctors who committed these horrors became respected figures in post-war Japanese medicine. Justice was traded for scientific secrets, and the victims were forgotten.